Hello guys, para sa sporty side of me, wow. Ayan, it's Friday Fun Volleyball Game. And for the real talk with Kimi, tatanungin natin ang aking mga volleyball friendship kung ano ang opinion nila sa kasabihang money can't buy happiness. Let's go!
Money can't buy happiness? Yes! Money can't buy happiness. Bakit?
Bakit? Kasi ito, pag nagbabalibol ka, ayan, hindi matutumbasan ng pera.
Ay, iba yung sagot! Iba yung sagot! Ang seryoso! Okay, basta...
Money can't buy happiness.
Yeah, totoo ba yun?
Because how can you be happy if your stomach is empty?
Tama!
And you don't have roof to cover your head and your family. So, saya kung kayong kumakain at umiinom ng milk.
Money can't buy happiness.
Wait lang, yung money. Oo.
Ay, emotional din to. Can't. Oh. Yeah.
Wala kang pera.
Ay, ang perfect.
Plus factory na lang na may pera.
Ang perfect ng sagot. Di ko yun in-expect.
Wait lang, pag may pera ka,
Mm.
syempre plus factor, diba?
Oo.
Ano na yun. Pero, pwede kang maging masaya sa paraan ng, sa mga friends.
Oo.
Ganon.
Yung sa money can't buy happiness.
Oo, true.
Ay, iba rin yung sagot ni Bob. Bakit daw? Kasi kailangan natin ng pera.
Money can't buy happiness.
Oo.
Kasi there's so many ways you can be happy. And it's just all around you. So you have to appreciate things.
English! Grabe! Alam mo, consistent din.
Yes.
Money can't buy happiness. Kasi,
Noon may happy ngayon. Ay, noon happy ngayon. No money.
no, naintindihan ko si ate. Charot lang.
No money.
Basta para kay ate is, ano yun? Money can't buy happiness is yes.
Yes,
Oo.
and then, kapit lang. Huwag makalimut sa taas. Number 1, taas.
Thank you for the answer. Money can't buy happiness. Oo.
Depende.
Ay, depende. Bayan,
Oo,
dapat yes
depende,
or no lang.
syempre.
Oo.
Depende. Halimbawa, gusto kong...
Andiyan ang bigas natin.
Nagkabigas ako. Maraming salamat eh. So, money can buy anything.
Ayun. Hindi na nakasagot.
Nabigyan siya.
Sige. Sige. Ha?
Yes, baby.
Alam mo, consistent lahat.
Oo.
Ako hindi. Ano na talaga ako? Money can buy happiness na talaga at this stage.
Kasi experience. Pag may experience ka na kasi, ganun.
Experience is the best teacher.
Parang